Installation instructions for the ASNU Digital Flow Kit. Please watch the installation video before proceeding. Step 1. Remove the back panel. Unscrew the 7 screws securing the back panel. Retain these screws, as they will be required later for reassembly. Step 2. Mount the Digital Flow Kit, DFK. Securely hang the DFK on the right side of your ASNU machine, positioning it from the rear. Step 3. Locate the wiring connections. Inside the rear of the machine, identify the 2 sets of wiring, one set connected to the pump, one set connected to the circuit board. Step 4. Disconnect and reconnect the wiring. Disconnect both cables as demonstrated in the installation video, then connect the DFK wiring to the appropriate connectors as labeled, pump for the pump connection, board for the circuit board connection. Tip: ensure all connectors are firmly inserted to establish proper contact. The wiring is color-coded, red to red, black to black. Step 5. Secure the wiring. Neatly tuck the cables into the back of the machine, following the arrangement shown in the video. Step 6. Remove the return pipe. Detach the return pipe from the pressure relief valve. A small amount of fluid leakage may occur. This is normal. Tip: keep a rag handy to absorb any spills. Step 7. Position the return pipe. Once removed, loop the return pipe back on itself and allow it to rest in place until it is reinserted later. Step 8. Install the DFK pipework. For this step, use the additional pipework provided with the DFK kit. Insert the uncapped end of the pipe into the pressure relief valve hole, which leads back into the fuel tank, where the pipe was originally removed in Step 7. Step 9. Connect the feed pipe. Attach the feed pipe to the DFK unit. Step 10. Reconnect the return pipe to the T-junction. Take the return pipe removed in Step 7, previously connected to the pressure relief valve and tank, and insert it into the open end of the T-junction. Tip: ensure all connections are securely fitted. Loose connections may result in fluid leakage. Step 11. Connect the braided hoses. Attach the feed pipe hose to the top of the filter. Attach the other braided hose to the top of the fuel rail. Step 12. Conduct a leak test. Start the machine and check for any leaks in the piping system. If no leaks are detected, proceed to Step 13. Step 13. Install the backplate spacers. The kit includes 7 spacers, which serve as backplate spacers. Insert them into the empty screw holes from the removed backplate. Step 14. Reattach the backplate. Position the backplate onto the spacers. Step 15. Secure the backplate. Using the original screws, secure the backplate in place. A clear gap should now be visible, allowing the cables to pass safely outside the machine without risk of damage. Important: the backplate must be reinstalled to ensure proper protection and functionality.